What is up, my beautiful people? I got a little bit of explaining to do. So I got dogged with 2 videos these past 2 months. So the first video was I put a new muffler on the truck, and me, Bryce, and John were here till like 4 in the morning, messing with all the adapters, the pipes, everything was going wrong. But we got it on and it sounds pretty good now. But the footage got corrupted. And then we went to Key Largo for Memorial Day weekend, and I was gonna vlog that for you guys, but like almost all of our plans we just didn't do. Like the last 2 days I got like really sick off of something. So yeah, but today there's a little car show around the corner. I'm gonna go check it out. Let me quickly show you guys the exhaust. Put on a Flowmaster Super Series 44. It sounds really good, and it pops a little bit on revs. I have my girlfriend here. We're gonna go to the car show. We're gonna grab some food first. The show started at 6, at 6:20. Better to go a little later because then we can like allow more cars to go in. But this is gonna be like lowriders, classic cars, donks, maybe a few cuz, a few taquaches. So it's a little different. But yeah, I guess I'll see you guys at the car show. Alright, we're at the car show now. So this was the car show that happened after Fuel Fest this year. So I've been to this before, but it was a little smaller. It looks about the same size, but I guess they're gonna be bigger, and hopefully it keeps growing because I like this style of cars. I like lowriders, I like donks, I like drop trucks. So I'm gonna go ahead and do a little pass. Maybe I'll take some photos, but just do a quick little pass and then we'll be heading out of here. This is gonna be a really short video most likely. So yeah. Alright, it's really hot out here, but that was a car show. I like it. It was definitely bigger than last year, and there's probably gonna be more people showing up, but me and my girlfriend have plans with her friends, so another time for sure though. There's a food truck here and they sell birria tacos, and I'm so mad because I just like devoured like 15 wings like 2 hours ago, so I'm still full. But yeah, I understand this not being a lot of people's cup of tea. Totally reasonable. Like all three of these, lowriders, donks, and drop trucks with big wheels. But seeing all these drop trucks, I gotta do it. I gotta get the big wheels. I gotta get the lower. I just gotta do it. I'm hoping I gotta see how the funds are. If I like have enough extra money out of saving to keep going with the paint, because I really want to do that. I really want to do the grill because right now it sticks out like a sore thumb, and I need to fix the middle part and then you know, the bottom bumper. But yeah, that was this car show. Thank you guys for watching. I will see you when I see you.